Hey everyone, my name is Madison Rozier. I'm with the Great Hewerdine Bake Off Tips and Tricks, and today we're going to be learning how to cut a dragon fruit. Let's get started. Okay, this is a dragon fruit. It's also known as pitaya, and it grows on cacti. So one cactus, it grows on a cactus or multiple cacti. So this is called a white dragon fruit. It has a pink on the outside and it's white with black seeds on the inside. There's also red dragon fruit and yellow dragon fruit, where the inside is red or the inside is yellow. So we have a white dragon fruit, and I'm going to be showing you two different ways to cut a dragon fruit. So the first thing you do, no matter which way you're cutting it, is to cut off the ends. Okay. Looks. I'll cut off the other end. Okay, about that. Now we're going to cut it this way, so the long way, not the short way, okay, the long side. Okay, so we're going to just cut right down the middle, and that's how it looks on the inside. Okay, and now we're going to take these two halves, and I'm gonna show you two different ways that you can get the fruit out. So one way is you can just use a spoon, because the fruit is really soft and it comes out pretty easily. So just turn that and use a spoon all around to scoop it out. Okay, I mean there's just a little bit left on the inside right there, but that's okay. It looks like we got most of the rind off. There's a little bit right here. I don't know if you can see that right there. We don't want that part, so we'll cut that off. Okay, and then you can just chop it up. Take the other half, and instead of using the spoon, we're going to cut into sections. It's just such a pretty fruit. Okay, and it should, you can either use a spoon or your fingers or a knife. At this point, it just comes out super, super easy. See, it's already coming off. You can almost just peel it off, but there's that little bit of white left over, so I think I'm gonna cut just a little bit for this one. See that? So yeah, not too difficult. There's a couple different ways you can cut dragon fruit. It's not like squash or something like that where it's kind of hard to cut and get away from the rind. So there you've got some bigger chunks. You can cut those into smaller diced pieces if you want. My kids think they look like dice, like for a game or something. They look like little dice. So anyway, so that is how you cut dragon fruit in two different ways. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.